Okay, to get started, drag your talking person clip onto the track above your video clip on the timeline. Then go to the Effects panel and type Offset into the search box. Drag that onto your talking person clip. Next, type Track Matte key into the search box, and drag that onto your talking person clip as well. Okay, now hold down your mouse key on the rectangle tool to select the ellipse tool. Then, while holding down the Shift key, drag in your preview to create a perfect circle around your person. And I'll just use my selection tool to move my circle properly over my person and use a corner handles to resize it a bit. Once you're happy with that, select your talking person clip, and in Effect Controls under Track Matte key, click the Matte dropdown. Select Video 3 or whatever track your circle is on. Next, under Offset, drag the Shift Value Center numbers to center your subject in your circle. Now to add a border around it, hold down the Alt key while dragging your circle clip up to make a duplicate. Make sure your duplicated circle is selected, and in Effect Controls, expand the shape settings, then turn off its fill and give it a stroke. Finally, to resize this, drag to select all your clips except for your background. Then right-click them and select Nest. Select your nested sequence on the timeline, and in Effect Controls under Motion, adjust its position and scale to your liking. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.